Hello again. Thank you for watching this video and studying math with me. Today we're going to be talking about adding and subtracting like fractions. The objectives are to understand what like and unlike fractions are, how do you add like fractions, and how do you subtract like fractions. So like fractions are fractions that have the same denominators. They're called like fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Now this is important because fractions may only be added or subtracted if they have like denominators. This is not a requirement for multiplication and division though, and some students get that screwed up. Don't let that happen to you. So here are the processes for doing that. Once you have a common denominator, you add the numerators, and that's the sum of the numerators. And the denominator remains the same. You always write the answer in lowest terms. You do the same thing for subtraction, except you subtract the numerators, and again the denominator is there, and you write the answer in lowest terms. Now we're getting really close to a work area, so what you should do is look at these problems, pause, try to work them yourselves, and then go ahead to look at some of the work that I do and check your answers and so on and so forth. So here is the set of problems that we're going to be discussing, and so I'll be back in a bit. Well, I'm back now, and so let's answer some of these. So which have like denominators? Well, or like fractions rather. So they have the same denominator. So that is a like fraction. That is a like fraction. That is not a like fraction because the denominators are not the same, and these are not like fractions because the denominators are all different. Now what we're going to do is add these, and we have common denominators, so we get 5 over 8 for the answer to the first one. We get 7 over 14, but 7 over 14 in lowest terms is 1/2. Here we get, let's see, that would be 8 out of 10, and so 8 tenths is also 4 over 5 in lowest terms. And here what we're going to do when we add that, we get 8 over 8, and 8 over 8 is known as 1. Now here's some subtraction problems. This is going to be 1/3. This is going to be 6 over 15, but 6 over 15 is, dividing 3 into both, is 2 over 5. Here we're going to get 3 over 9, and that's going to be 1/3. And here, when we subtract, we're going to get 43 minus 16. We can do this up here. It is 7, and we borrowed 1, so it's 27 over 81. But 27 over 81 is 1 over 3. So that's the answer to that one. These word problems, we're going to add 3/16 and 7/16. That is going to be 10/16 or 5 over 8. And the paving company did 11 twelfths of a highway left to pave, and they did that, so you're going to be subtracting these two. So this is 11 over 12 minus 5 over 12. It's going to be 6 over 12, which we reduce to 1/2. So those should have helped you along the way. Make sure you read your book and do some problems in your book till you're good at this, but for now, time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math. It will make you strong. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in class.